Hey guys, what's good? This is Andre and today I want to cover a stock pick that might be a really good fit for a cash secured put. I never recommend running cash secured puts unless you guys have the cash secured component of that discussion in there. So basically this will require $2,000 worth of capital to be able to sell one put on US Steel Corp, so X ticker symbol. Guys, I think it's a really interesting area to be in. First off, X hasn't really touched these price points for roughly what is it now, over a year, ever since 2021, so a couple of years even. It hasn't really been below the $20 mark for quite a while, or hasn't stayed beneath that. Let's be very diligent about the way we package that. Now obviously, as usual, not a recommendation to buy, sell, or execute any sort of trading. Please do your own due diligence, and if you want to support the channel, please head on over to Patreon. For just $5 a month you get a lot of trade ideas, a lot of good content, and you also help me continue doing this work and continue providing you guys with ideas. Now moving back into the trade setup here, with X at $21.3 here, I want to have a look at what selling a put might do for us. So we're gonna go out to the June regular expiration. Basically we're gonna go ahead and sell $20 put. Yesterday these were a slight bit more expensive, so it's kind of curious why we're seeing just 71 cents here. I can tell you that I took this trade yesterday and it was 80 cents actually. So anyway, not a huge difference here, but let's do the math, guys. So first off, obviously we sell a $20 put, so let's see what that means. That means that if the stock ends below $20 on the 16th of June, which is the regular expiration, so in case that stock finishes below here, that means that we're gonna get assigned 100 shares of stock at $20. Now in the meantime, we have generated 70 cents for this basically this cash secured put. We have generated 70 cents worth of premium. Now 70 cents on a $2,000 investment means 3.5% for the roughly 35 days that I think we have up until June 16th. So that's a pretty decent ROI, guys. If you manage to make 3.5% for, let's say, 11 months in the year, that gives you roughly 40%, which is gonna destroy any sort of averages on the S&P or QQQ, and it's a relatively risk-free strategy in the first place because of the fact that we have the cash to buy the stock. We're basically just saying that we want to buy the stock at the price which we believe is appropriate. So in this case, we're gonna do this. It's gonna potentially, let's say that we are getting assigned, it's gonna mean that we have the shares at $19.03. So basically our average cost will be 30 cents, sorry, not 3. Our average cost will be over here. So this is really important to always have in your plan, guys, because what this basically means is that we allow enough room for the stock to potentially retest the previous swing low that it had put in over here. I think this is a really sweet area to be in, and what I would do in this case, let's say June 16 comes around and I get assigned these shares, I would immediately sell a $20 cash a $20 covered call, sorry. I would not wait for anything else to happen. I would sell that immediately because I'm only doing this for swing trading. I'm not doing this to be stuck with a stock that I don't know what's gonna do for potentially a few months. I want to be in and out, and I want to generate premiums. Premiums is all I care about. I don't care about stock appreciation. I don't want to wait for this thing to retrace back in here so I can sell a $26 cash covered call, sorry. I just, again, I'm playing only for the premiums, and I expect that once, let's pretend again that we do get assigned and I do sell the $20 strike price with the stock being somewhere in this area over here, I expect again to make at least $80 to $90 from that premium for the $2,000 collateral, putting another 4% in my pockets, and again being able to generate relatively kind of passive income on my portfolio without really having kind of a trader mentality and a risky mentality to what I'm trying to do here. Guys, if you enjoy the content, feel free to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.